Hey, hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to another progressive income video. So for today's video is just going to be an intro to affiliate marketing. So a lot of people have requested this and I've used affiliate marketing heaps for my side hustles and it's one of my most successful ones. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first things first, what is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is actually pretty simple. It's basically when there is a product or a program or a service and you basically do the advertising on their behalf. So you get a unique link, and when someone signs up or buys a product using that link, you get a commission and you get paid. So I'll use some examples and some websites which I've used in the past, which I think is really good. So first things first, we have Clickbank. So Clickbank is a website where anyone can sign up, and it is an affiliate marketing marketplace where you can find tons of different products and services. So once you sign up to Clickbank, you'll go to a page which looks like this, and this is the marketplace. Now with affiliate marketing, it's important to have a niche. So as you can see, all these categories here, we have arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting, computer, cooking, education, etc. and games. So you want to do something which you believe, so you should believe in the product yourself. That is very important. So let's do, for example, cooking, food, and wine. So if you click that, it'll go to a page which looks like this. And you can see the average cost for conversion. So basically, if you promote this, so you press promote and you get a special link. Now when you post this link and people buy the product using it, this is how much roughly you would make, an average, the amount that you can make. And at the bottom here, you can see the initial cost that you'll make, and there's recurring bills. So this is monthly or something. So what I love is recurring bills, because that way you can just have to make them buy it once or get, to use the product once, and then you get some passive income as long as they stay subscribed to that website or the program or whatever it is. So when you're looking through all these offers, you want to make sure you're promoting something that you enjoy. So you can see this little arrow here means recurring billing, which is good. And another one which is good is this orange one here where there's pitch plus. So it's basically upselling opportunities. So the initial one could be, let's say, $20, as you can see here. But then the average conversion is 35 because there could be upsells or things that, they could buy extra. So for example, if we look at this one, keto resources, there's a couple of options you can press. So promote, this will give you the link straight away. Now if we look at it down here, the affiliate page and in the main page. So you want to look at the main page. So this is what the main page looks like. So it just shows what's the difference between success and fail on the keto diet. So this is what their page looks like, and you need to think, if you went on this page, would you buy this product? Because this is the one you're going to be advertising in order to make money. So you can take a look, and if you do enjoy this niche and you know a lot about it, then perfect. And in the affiliate page, so Dear Affiliate Marketer, and it's the same website, the affiliate page will give you tips and tricks of how to convert people easily, give you terms and conditions, and all these other general things to help you succeed. So how is this applicable? So I'll give you a very good example here. So this keto personal diet Instagram page is making lots of bank using affiliate marketing. So as you can see, they have 1.6 million followers here, and they have the ultimate custom keto meal plan to make delicious, easy recipes. And then they have a link here. Now this link leads to this page here, and this is an affiliate link. So basically this is an affiliate link. You can even see here. So you'll get a unique link, and then when someone buys this product using this Instagram page, and nothing wrong with that, it's good that they're promoting a product that they believe in, and this page is obviously dedicated to it. But basically, yeah, by signing up or using their link, you'll get paid. They'll get paid for it. And with 1.6 million followers, even if 1% of them signs up, that's a lot of money that they can be making, especially with recurring bills. So that's one of the ways, using Clickbank. And what I liked about Clickbank is all the different categories here. So if you're into gaming, health and fitness, and in my opinion, I'm in the finance niche. So that is there as well, business and investing. So there's a lot of different markets in here. The only con of Clickbank, I would say, is there's a lot of products and it's quite saturated, and it's good to find quality products. Alright, so number 2. So a lot of you might have seen this, that I used to promote this heaps back in the day. So this is Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, or the 3-day Breakthrough Challenge by Jonathan Montoya. This is excellent in my opinion. So it's basically a course which teaches you all about affiliate marketing, a lot better than how I could explain it. And the best part is, once you finish this course, you can become an affiliate for this program. So the program costs $7 to start, meaning, and it's 50% commission. So if you manage to get someone to sign up using this, then you'll get $350 out of it USD. But there's upsells up to $1,000. So if someone buys that, then you'll get $500, which is a ridiculous amount. And the conversion rate is pretty high. Alongside that, because it's an affiliate marketing kind of education program, there's a dedicated Facebook group to it, and there's, as you can see, 18,400 members, and there's guides, and everyone's really helpful, and they help, each other. So I'll leave a link in the description for this, and obviously I will be using an affiliate link, so full transparency here. So if you do sign up, then I'll be getting 50% commission from it. That being said, you won't be paying any extra cost whatsoever. So there's a good option. So I'll just show you some other examples as well. So this is my TikTok page, so full transparency. And as you can see, I have a link in my bio. Now with the link in my bio, you can see all these different links here. So start earning crypto, buy crypto for using stake crypto, and these are affiliate links. So this is what a lot of content creators are doing, especially on TikTok, because it's really hard to monetize on TikTok. A lot of content creators won't tell you what I'm telling now, saying that they make money off these. So for example, this free $5 for investing. Yeah, you get $5 for free. I also get $5 back. I do disclose it most of the time in my YouTube videos and TikToks if I do decide to promote my affiliate links. So there's basically a niche for anything and everything. So another example a demonstration is, for example, if you post something like this on Instagram, in this case it's not it's not the scenario, but if you bought this shirt from, let's say, this puffer jacket from Glassons, or some sort of, I don't know, what's a general Walmart or whatever, and they have an affiliate link, then you can easily link it in your Instagram. So when people, look at your clothes and want to buy it, they click on that link and you can get paid. Another huge marketplace for affiliate marketing is Amazon. So Amazon has affiliate links for every single thing on their product, and Amazon has basically so many items that you can easily promote and get commission out of. But yeah, that's basically it for affiliate marketing. It's a lot more simple than you think. It's just the first part is picking a niche and posting these links and trying to get people to convert and click on them. But again, you can just incorporate it in your daily Instagram live or Facebook posts, so it's really simple. So that's basically it. If you do have any questions, feel free to let me know. Also, thank you very much to WeMoney for helping make this video possible. On WeMoney, I do have a community page where I share a lot more tips, and the community is absolutely wonderful. And if you do want more secret little investing tips or secret tips for my side hustles, I do recommend checking out the profile. I'll leave a link in the description down below for that as well, and I hope to see you there. But yeah, thank you very much. If this video did help, please like and subscribe. It means an absolute lot. Thank you so much, and cheers.